Hey, hi all. How you guys doing today? Let's learn each versus $each method in this video. So I'll explain the key differences, and then we'll understand both of them. Actually, the each method actually we have discussed in last video. So I'll use the same example in this video, and I will explain how it is different than $each method in this video. Right. So now let's move to Visual Studio Code. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please try to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any new videos. And then if you like the video, please click on like button. So as you see, let me comment this. As you see, we have a same example as we gone through in last video, right? So these are the checkboxes, multiple checkboxes, and we're fetching them using this selector, and then we're iterating over each of them, and printing the values, right? So you can see 0th index HTML and first index JavaScript, right? So now I'll use dollar each, right? So the key differences are dollar each method used over, and it's actually a static utility function, right? So it is used to iterate over a plain JavaScript arrays or objects. Okay. And the each method each method actually uses the HTML elements collection, okay, to iterate. And those HTML elements collection we achieve using jQuery selectors. We used to fire the jQuery selector and get the HTML elements collection and iterate over them, right? So this is the same thing. So let's create an array, right? So I'll just add some values to it, right? 3 4, and then I'm creating an object also. You can see, then C colon 3, and then D colon 4, right? So this is the object, and the first one is array. Now what I need to do, dollar each, right? Then the first place, right? So it has two parameters. So the each method has only one parameter, which is a callback function, but in dollar each we need to explicitly pass the iterator. Okay, so this is the iterator, and I need to call a callback function on this, and this callback function will have the index and the value. Okay, and I'll use the same console log, use the template string over here. I will print, instead of val I will print value. Okay, and the same thing I will do for object as well. So for object we need to use it actually gives us a key as a first parameter, okay, for objects, and the second parameter is same for both case. Okay, so I will select two checkboxes and click on this. So now first two checkboxes are there, and then the dollar each method, right? So for array, so this is the dollar each method for array, which is printing this array values, and then this is the dollar each method for object, which is printing the values with keys, right? So this is printing values with indexes, right? So whenever you call dollar each method on array, it gives us index and value, and if you call it on object, it gives us key and value, right? So these are the differences between the each and dollar each method, right? So I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, click on hit the like icon, like button, and then do not forget to subscribe to the channel, right? So see you guys, have a good day. Let's meet in next video. Bye all.